Dobson, once Western Frontier Mining Exploration, Chief Geologist at the Warren Project, Sidney Resources. So this is our stockpile here. This is our primary feed. The excavator feed this material into this Grizzly right here, sizing it anything from 2.5 inches greater. Roll off the back. Anything smaller will be fed on this conveyor belt. The ore come up, conveyor, and then feed into this. Basically, this is our secondary crusher. It's a hammer mill. So we'll feed into that, sizing down to about 3/8 to 1/4 inch. 3/8 to 1/4 inch. Then we feed from this hopper into the ball mill. And the ball mill will take it down to about 50 minus.